E-commerce player Flipkart Group has acquired 100% stake in Walmart India, which operates the best price cash and carry business. Flipkart launched a new digital marketplace called Flipkart Wholesale. This move will allow Flipkart to leverage the strong wholesale capabilities of the company and enable growth for kiranas and MSMEs. It will also strengthen the grocery business that is getting increasingly competitive. Moving on to the next news, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, stressing that he meant no disrespect to Shivaji Maharaj or Goddess Bhavani, provided clarification on the row over the slogans raised by BJP MP Udayanraje Bhosle during the Rajya Sabha oath-taking ceremony. Venkaiah Naidu, providing clarification on the same, tweeted, "Always been a strong and vocal admirer of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and worshipper of Goddess Bhavani, reminded members that as per conventional practice at the time of taking oath, no slogans are given, no disrespect at all." Moving on to the next news, it seems that People's Liberation Army is not in a mood to de-escalate the situation in the line of actual control, as it has a continued deployment of around 40,000 troops in its front and depth areas for the eastern Ladakh sector, said sources. According to sources, the Chinese are also not honoring their commitment for disengagement at the friction points in eastern Ladakh and are not moving back as per the agreed terms during the multiple rounds of talks at the government and army levels and intervention at the senior level like the one done by National Security Advisor couple of weeks ago. Moving on to the next news, as the Rajasthan High Court is scheduled to pass orders tomorrow on the petition filed by Sachin Pilot and group of Rebel Congress MLAs against disqualification notices issued by Rajasthan Assembly Speaker, the Supreme Court on Thursday refused to stay the High Court proceedings. Observing that serious questions related to democracy are involved in this matter, a bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra said that the special leave petition filed by the Speaker C.P. Joshi will be heard on Monday. However, the Supreme Court bench refused to accept the plea made by senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who on behalf of the Speaker demanded to stay the High Court proceedings and said that it will clarify that the High Court judgment will be subject to Supreme Court orders. Moving on to the next news, the Ministry of Defence has issued a formal sanction letter to grant permanent commission to women officers in the Indian Army. Earlier this month, Supreme Court had given the centre 1 month's time to follow the court's orders on giving permanent commission to all serving SSC women officers in the Indian Army. The Indian Army spokesperson has said the move will pave way for the empowering women officers to shoulder larger roles in the organization.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.